One of the important things that we have to do when we're naming or even writing a formula for a compound is to determine whether it's ionic or covalent. So when we look at a periodic table and we have um, two nonmetals bonded together like carbon dioxide, CO2, we just have to see where they fall in the periodic table. Carbon is in the nonmetals, which is everything I have shaded here in pink or outlined in pink. Oxygen is also a nonmetal, and so this is going to be covalent. Okay, so nonmetal bonded to nonmetal is going to give us a covalent compound, also known as a molecule. If we have a combination of metal, like let's say nickel, with chlorine, right, then that's going to give us something like NiCl2, for example, which is going to be ionic. So metal, like nickel, okay, bonded to a nonmetal, like chlorine, is going to give us, so metal, nonmetal, is going to give us ionic. Basically, if you just remember that metals, again, most of the periodic table is are metals, and that would be the yellow outlined area in the periodic table that I'm showing here. Most of the periodic table are metals. If a metal is involved, like nickel, like copper, like sodium, anything that's a metal, it is going to be ionic because metals do not share electrons. They don't have a very tight grip or hold or pull on electrons. They tend to lose them and form ions, and therefore ionic compounds.